Dear students, this is Afsana, Awal. Today I will take you English class, and students, today's topic is Buzzword book, Unit-7, page number 44 to 46. So let's start our class. Look at the board. This is page number 44, Unit-7. Page number 44, this is Unit 7, a cup and a saucer. Just look, here is a picture. A lady is cooking and she uses lots of things for cooking. Some pots, some pan, jar, mug and a bowl, knife, etc. She uses for cooking. So today we will learn these types of things. About these types of things. Students, look at the page of page number 45. Here there are some things that we use daily, and today we will learn the spelling of these daily necessary items. At first, cup, a cup, C-U-P, cup, C-U-P, cup, C-U-P, cup, a cup. A saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. This is a plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate, a plate. Now a glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass, a glass. A jar, J-A-R, jar, J-A-R, jar, J-A-R, jar. A jug, J-U-G, jug, J-U-G, jug, J-U-G, jug. A jug. Now a mug, M-U-G, mug, M-U-G, mug, M-U-G, mug, a mug. A bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Students, these are the things, I am repeating, these are the things that we use daily. Every day we use these necessary things. Now go to the next page, and the page number is 46. Here are also some pictures that we use everyday's life. That's a very important thing for our everyday's life. Pot, pan, stove, spoon, knife, fork. These are also very necessary things. A pot, P-O-T, pot, P-O-T, pot, P-O-T, pot. A pan, P-A-N, pan, P-A-N, pan, P-A-N, pan. A stove, S-T-O-V-E, stove, S-T-O-V-E, stove, S-T-O-V-E, stove, a stove. A spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Now, a knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife, a knife. A fork, F-O-R-K, fork, a fork, F-O-R-K, fork, F-O-R-K, fork, F-O-R-K, fork, a fork. So today we have learned some necessary items that we use everyday's life, that are very important for our everyday's life. Students, that's all for today. See you next class. Allah Hafiz.